Welcome back, children. Class 1. Today's subject is EVS. Today in lesson 7, that is safety rules, we will learn how to follow safety rules when we are on road, we are at home, we are out in the bus, or we are in some other activity. Let us see what is the first rule. Children, essential road safety rules for child. When we are on the road, what safety rules we should follow and how we should behave on the road, we will have a look today. It is important to follow safety rules to be safe. And to follow these, what are we going? Yes, you can see our friend Saina is back again with us, and here in this picture we can see that she is doing something. Let us see and find out what is she doing. Saina and her classmates are in a traffic training park. The teacher tells her why traffic rules are important. Now, Saina and her classmates are learning traffic training and how to park. Now, here the teacher is telling what rules you should follow and why the rules are important for us. What is the teacher saying? We must follow the traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. Yes, true children, if you are not taking care of the safety rules, you or someone else might get hurt. That is why it is important to follow safety rules to be safe. Now, what are the things in mind you should keep when you are on the road, children? First point is always go out with an elder. Always go out with an elder. Never go alone. Walk on the pavement. You should always use pavement to walk on the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Children, always cross the road on the zebra crossing only. See how the children with one grandfather here in the picture, we can see how they are walking and crossing the road on the zebra crossing, right? Do not play on the road. You should not play on the road. It is very unsafe. Before crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right. First, what we will do while crossing? First, we will look to our right, then to our left, and again to the right. Then we will cross the road only when it is clear. Students, understood? It is important to follow safety rules to be safe. Children, these were the rules to be followed on the road. Now let us have a look to the important rules that should be followed while the signals are on. And what does the signal indicates us? You can see the picture of signal here. Red light indicates that we have to stop. Yellow light indicates that we have to be ready. Now here it is written slow down. If you are in the motion and the yellow light comes up, then what it does indicate means you have to slow down. The signal will be stop. Red light will come. So while it is yellow light, you should be ready to go. The signal must be green or the signal must be red. You should slow down. If it is green, you should be ready. If it is red, you should slow down. Green light indicates that we have to go. Red says stop, yellow says slow down or be ready, and green says go. These were the rules that we should follow on the road to be safe. Now comes safety rules at home. What safety rules you should follow and form a habit to have a safe life at home. Look at the picture here. There are children playing with the electric socket, playing with gas stove, playing with matchstick, playing with sharp object and running through the wet floor. Are they doing correct things, children? No. See, a big cross is there. No. You can hurt yourself by doing these things, right? So, what things you should keep in mind when you're at home? Safety at home. Do not jump on a bed or a sofa. Now on this point, I will tell you one nursery rhyme you must be remembering. Five little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Now what happened when the monkeys were jumping on the bed? They fell down and they broke their head, got hurt on their head. So that is why to be safe at home, we should not jump on the bed or sofa. You should stay away from fire. Do not play with matchsticks. Never play with matchsticks, children. Do not touch electric wires or sockets. Keep away sharp things like knives and blades. You should always be away from knives and blades. Do not lean over a balcony. Never do that, children. These things, if you keep in mind at home, you will be safe and sound. Now, safety rules, what you should follow at school. When you are at school, what safety rules you are going to follow? Let's have a look. Safety at school. The points that you should keep in mind when you are at school to be safe and sound. Walk in a line while going up or down the stairs. Do not push each other. We should not push each other when we are walking on the stairs. When you're climbing up or you're coming down. Do not push each other on the swing. When you're playing, you should play carefully. Do not jump on the chairs and desk. As we have seen at home also, we should not jump on the sofa or bed. Here also, chairs and desk, we should take care. We should not jump. You might hurt yourself badly if you do so. So, we should not do that. If you follow these things, you will be safe. Now, when you are traveling by a bus or you're traveling by a car, what safety measures, what safety things you should keep in mind? Safety in the bus or car. The points that you should keep in mind are: always wait in a line for the bus. Sit properly on your seat. Do not stand near the door of the bus. Now you should wait for your turn to come. And when you are being seated, sit properly. You should not stand near the door. Do not put your head or arms outside the window of a moving bus or car. Never do that, children. When the bus or the car is in motion, you should not remove your hands, you should not remove your arms and your head out and see. Sit properly when the vehicle is in motion. You may get hurt. You may get hurt badly, children. Never disturb the driver. You should never do that. That might result to an accident. So you should not disturb the driver. Wait for the car or bus to stop before getting up. When you're going to the stop, you're getting off, you should wait that the bus or the car is stopping and then only you get down. Always wear a seat belt in the car. While you're traveling in the car, you should always wear a seat belt. It keeps you safe in case of an accident. You will be safe in case of an accident. Children, these were the safety measures by bus and car you have to follow. Now, if you go out for swimming, when we go out for swimming, what safety measures you have to follow? Safety while swimming. Swimming While swimming, use a swimming tube. If you are learning to swim, you should use a tube when you are learning. Do not go alone for a swim. You should not go alone. There must be an adult with you. Do not go into deep water. You should not swim in the deep water. And in case you get hurt, you should inform your teacher. If your teacher is there with you, or an adult or your elder ones are there with you, you should inform them. These are the safety measures you should take care when you're swimming. Now, important thing you should know, fact that you should know this picture. What is the picture saying? The picture is of first aid kit box. This is a first aid box. First aid is the medical help we give before the doctor comes. In case we get hurt, this is the thing what we use. When the doctor is still to come, we use this first aid to apply medicine. Hope you all have understood and you will keep in mind all the safety rules and be safe. Thank you.